Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Ready to come into flower. This lovely indoor jasmine. This is Jasmine polyanthum. The fragrance is fantastic. Ready to flower very soon now. You can train them to whatever height you want. You can bring them up to 8, 9, 10 feet high, or you can keep them just as we have done here, just with 3 canes, nice and neat and tidy, and you can wind them back down on themselves again. And they're just, within next 2 weeks, they'll be in full flower. Now you need to water them regularly, and the best way to water indoor jasmine is to plunge them in water like that over the rim of the pot and hold them down there until the bubbles stop. Now this one's not too bad, it's damp enough. It's a deep pink one. This is Passion Dark Pink, new variety, very strongly scented as well. And in he goes, and you see he's dry, so he's going to bubble a lot in there. He's bubbling away, and hold them down there until the bubbles stop, and then let them drain off again, and they're perfect. You know, they last for years. But these are indoor jasmine. They can be out for summer if you want, but at this time of the year they need to be indoors, and the fragrance is wonderful. So that's the pink and white. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.